The return of my Coin Lady channel brings me much joy. In this video, I will show you why XRP is ready to have a major breakout, and we may have just discovered a tiny secret that nobody else is talking about. Along with some intriguing wallets and XRP purchases, we will also examine a large-scale RWI tokenization happening on the XRPL. How may we be conversing? If you're bullish on XRP, you should definitely subscribe and give this video an unprecedented number of likes. Alright, then, let's jump into the video. Before we get into the news that everyone is talking about, something really intriguing, I want to start with this. This bull flag formation on XRP, which I've been mentioning for the past 3 days, is giving us a fascinating move as it pits resistance against support on a horizontal sloping line. A major upswing may be on the horizon in the near future. Besides being extremely bullish, this also prepares the market for the price movements we discussed yesterday. Do you think we're heading for $2.73 and eventually maybe even $10? I'd like to get into a bit more depth, particularly on XRP, but we'll tell you how that could happen soon. Now that we've seen it happen, XRP is officially listed on Arkham. Arkham is an excellent site for keeping tabs on wallets. Not only can you observe everything that's happening, but you can also see who's purchasing what. MaskX is interesting. You won't hear much about MaskX, but it's a unique and fascinating exchange. Serious participants only. This pertains to the institutions, whales, and a great deal more besides. Not to mention that they're purchasing XRP in bulk. Large sums, I assure you. All you have to do is look at the transfers that have occurred here in the past 24 hours, 1.93 million and 1.9. 3 million 1, 3 million and 1.9, 6,009. 6 million. A lot of money is flowing into MaskX, and this is just one of many fascinating platforms where people are buying this coin. Others include Binance and Hot Wallet. A large number of these prominent exchanges really own substantial quantities of XRP. Take MaskX, for instance, who possesses an impressive sum of roughly $7.5 million, and that's not all. In many of the major market makers and other major swaps, you can find enormous quantities of XRP. At this particular moment, everyone is loading up. We all know that Brad Garlinghouse is eventually being considered for a position in Trump's administration. Therefore I find this interesting. Trump and the rest of the globe are clearly starting to buy fascinating altcoins, and we know it. Is XRP the next item on the agenda? But there is a lot of money buying XRP that no one is talking about. For example, Venus Protocol appears to be hoarding XRP worth more than $14.58 million. So when people say XRP has no practical utility, it's because they don't know what else to say. In all honesty, it won't accomplish anything. It appears that nobody is buying it. The truth, though, is enormous. It is being purchased by liquidity providers. Big protocols, the ones that lend money, are purchasing it. Aside from our own tokenization, XRP is also being purchased. The XRPL is introducing its new treasury bills, and I'm Alicia. This is fascinating. Staking XRP might give you T-bills, which are a form of investment yield. This is, once again, one more version of the XRP ledger. Tokenization of real-world assets is what Alicia is all about. The XRP ledger will eventually see the debut of US Treasury bills by the firm. By tokenizing RWA, the company hopes to combine the advantages of decentralized and traditional financing. Why did they decide to use the XRPL for it? Very intriguing, and here we are at the crux of the matter. XRP has so many moving parts that it's difficult to keep up, but the meat and potatoes of the matter are the things happening behind the scenes that we must comprehend. The price is definitely going up. Indeed, XRP has recently become a hot topic. The mechanic that resides behind it is largely unmentioned. Those individuals who claim there is no practical application. So, you know what? Considering that USD might also be really ridiculous, the idea that you can receive yield on US Treasury bills just by holding XRP opens up a lot of opportunities. People are aiming for a major breakout for this reason. Quite often, we even jiggle the prices a bit. Recognize it for what it really is. Some people succeed in the end. Sure, some folks won't. However, this particular XRP support formula on Twitter goes by the name of LUD XRP has now revealed in-depth chart analysis that suggests the cryptocurrency might experience a substantial price rebound, potentially reaching $16.15 in the near future. Really, we may be looking at a $16.15 after we break through important resistance levels around $2, $84.10, $7.60, and $12.07. In my opinion, let's break past some significant levels. First and foremost, as mentioned in the beginning, this price action is beginning to exhibit an intriguing, shallow bull flag pattern, which may lead to a new breakout. Take a look at it. Quite a few positive exponential moving averages. We are still seeing volume, and the RSI is in the ideal purchasing range. This is the trajectory. Is entirely to the upside. However, a continuation of the uptrend after breaking out of this bull formation would be ideal. A rise in Bitcoin's price, increased market adoption, and, most likely, the inauguration of Donald Trump are all necessary conditions for this to occur. Brad Garlinghouse spent $1 million, in case you forgot. Must take a very optimistic view of this. When you peek behind the scenes at XRP, you'll see what's really happening. Lots of new stuff is on the way, and I expect it to keep growing. RWA, I mentioned XRPL being significant. There's also an automated market maker that gives up a lot of possibilities. Remember that large protocols, lenders, and liquidity providers are just purchasing large quantities of XRP, as we said at the beginning. There's no way. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye for now.